I'm opening it. What are you opening, Travis?
This.
What's this?
I forgot.
It's the lava.
Lavalier. You got lavs.
Raymond's chode.
20.
Wow.
It's recyclable.
It's ASMR. Listen close.
It doesn't work when it hits the mic. Is it just me or are we missing like 3 shelves?
No, we're not.
Yeah, we were straight up like...
Are we really missing one? Huh? Hey, we
Wait,
have
what-
proof.
what?
We have proof on live video that we got bought by IKEA. So there's supposed to be 5 of these flat ones.
Is anybody in there?
We only have 3. Huh? Man, I'll
Fuck.
Wipe clean with a cloth damped in a mild cleaner.
Customer
Travis said no
service.
texting. Travis said no texting.
Yeah, you would do that. So yeah, it's telling me to look at this Diddy Kong. There's two Diddy Kongs. It's $430. If you are missing a box, so that should have been included with the package.
Fuck, how about 2 fucking shelves? Dude, how do you get that wrong?
What happened to the shelf?
So we ordered this like a month ago, and then you know the whole COVID thing, so we had delayed shipping, right? And then we finally got it. I think I ordered it like May 10th. No, May 5th. We got it June 21st, 20th. And then we get the package and it's missing 2 out of the 5 shelves.
IKEA fucked us. So thanks a lot, IKEA, for nothing. A sick gamer move. You got us. See you next time.
All right, okay, so